There's hailstones on the balcony. Oh my god. So cool. Oh, starting again. Shit. Awesome. Ah! I'm getting all wet. Even on the balcony. Shit. It's a mild downpour. They're getting wet. First hailstorm of the year. Woo! I hope we get to see a rainbow. Oh, that would be so great. That would be so great. It's a mild downpour. The sun's coming out. The sun's coming out. I want to get a rainbow. I hope it's a big rainbow. Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look over there! In the parking lot. It's like... Oh, don't stop now. And the hailstones are gonna just stop like that. What the fuck? I don't want it to stop. Look, look. There's like hailstones on the balcony. Just tiny ones. They're not too big. Look, tiny hailstones. Tiny hailstones. I'm gonna grab a hailstone and I'm gonna put it in my mouth. It tastes icy. Nice and cool. Lovely. It's like eating little mini mints or something, except it's ice flavored. They were calling for a thunderstorm, but we just get a mild downpour with some hail. And now it's going away. I'm so fucking disappointed. Whatever. Well, I guess that's the end of the video. I'm just gonna see if there's gonna be a rainbow or not. I hope there's a rainbow. I think it's too mild outside. It's not hot outside today. It's like, what, 17 degrees day we're calling for? Or 19 degrees, but yeah, it's still too mild, so pretty much you see all the hailstones are gone now. Pretty much. They all melted. Oh look! Another hailstone. I'm gonna grab it. Icy flavored. Hailstone ASMR. I'm just eating hailstones. Look at these beautiful clouds. Look at these beautiful clouds. Oh my god. It's so fucking bright. Shit. I can't see nothing. See these beautiful clouds? I can't see nothing. I'm blind. Look at these beautiful clouds. Beautiful clouds. Beautiful clouds. Now, if there was thunder and lightning, it would make it so much better. To me, the perfect storm is a lot of wind. Doesn't have to be tornado type winds, but lots of wind, lots of rain, lots of thunder, lots of lightning, and lots of hail. And now the goddamn sunshine's coming out again. It's like, why? The mysteries of life. I just don't know fucking why. But I'll bet you anything, because I'm in Gatineau, Quebec right now. So I'll bet you anything that If that was just a little downpour now, I'll bet you in Ottawa, over there across the bridge, they're gonna have it a lot worse. They always have the best storms. Ottawa always has the best fucking storms. Rainstorms, thunderstorms, any kind of goddamn fucking storms, like, and we just get like there's a nice fresh breeze going on here. It's like, yay. We're not summer yet, so, and you'll probably hear the neighbors next door, and it's like, I don't know if they were already outside or not while I was recording this. Whatever. She's a cunt anyway. Her stupid boyfriend. Anyway. Oh! I hear a cat. Oh, is it the boy? Is it boy? Oh, is the cat outside? Did he leave the cat outside? Oh, poor kitty. Kitty's outside. But it's under the patio, so at least it's under the patio. But I think... Oh, shut the fuck up. Fucking idiots. I think the cat wants to go in. I know her, she's a really nice cat. Look at those beautiful clouds. Oh my god. Oh, are you smoking pot again? Fucking disgusting. Anyways, this is going to be like the end of the video because they're smoking pot on the balcony and I can't tolerate that too much, so we'll take one more look at the beautiful clouds before we go. See, look how beautiful they are. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? To me, the darker the clouds, and the grayer they are, the more beautiful they are. So, oh. My neighbor's cat wants to move in. He's a nuisance, by the way. But she's a very lovely cat. I love her. She's a pain in the tail sometimes, but she's a wonderful cat. Maybe she just wants to go in. Anyways. Hope I get a video of her one day. If those losers weren't on the balcony, I would fucking call her. Anyways, I don't know what else to say. This is just a random video. I hope we get a bigger thunderstorm tonight. They've been calling for a thunderstorm since April, and we're June 2nd now. It's like... I made up something saying, like, the weather man is like a fortune teller. It's like, what they say doesn't always come true. Like, they're like almost like as if they're lying, and I want my money back. So don't believe in the weatherman or a fortune teller. Where's my baby? She's my baby too. She's not my cat. She's not my cat, but I love her. Anyways, it's about enough video for now. So, thank you for watching. Click like and subscribe or fucking whatever. So, first hailstorm of the year. Well, not really a storm per se, but it must be cold enough somewhere because if there's hailstones, well. So, where's my pussycat? Oh, it's raining on my smartphone. Ah, stop it. Where's my pussycat? So, anyways, I'm gonna go back inside and watch more videos. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Okay.